Hi, Eduardo. Hello, Eduardo.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? How was your weekend?
Yeah, it's very busy, but
Oh, okay, but ready. Busy, but nice.
yeah.
Did you work? No, right?
No.
Okay.
Only the Monday to Friday.
Okay, nice. So you spend time with your family?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
My
Very
wife.
nice. With your wife. Did you
Yes.
go somewhere? No?
No.
No, you stay
No.
home.
Yeah, I stay home.
Okay, very nice. Very cool. What about the experience doing the platform? Tell me, did you do the exercises?
Yeah, I did in the lesson 2.
Mm-hmm.
I finished the lesson 2 today.
Okay, very good. Nice. So you are like, up to date. That's very nice. Very,
Yeah.
very cool. And tell me, what did you do yesterday? Yesterday,
Yesterday,
Friday. Did you celebrate Independence Day?
no. My I am Jehovah Witnesses, and I preach
Oh, okay,
and I
okay.
and I
You don't
and I
celebrate
preach.
that. Mm-hmm.
No, and I preach the good news every weekend, Saturday and Monday,
No
and Sunday.
way. And Sunday.
No,
Okay. So you
it's a
you
this is
you go out.
personal decision.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes, it's true.
but it's in our neighborhood.
I have a lot of people from that religion in my neighborhood, and
Awesome.
they have something very peculiar.
Yeah,
They have a stand. I don't know if you stand in the corner of the street. They do
magazine
exhibition.
exhibition. Yeah.
Yeah, And I was passing by one day, and I look
Okay.
at the magazine, and the headline was "How to Keep Your Family Happy," and I like that.
Okay.
I like that, and I say,
Yeah.
So, but I have a question for you. If I see something like that, it's you sell, or you give me the chance to read, or how is it the like the deal I have to.
The magazine in all world are free.
Okay. Okay.
Are free. The
So
magazine are free.
they are not selling.
No, not selling.
Uh,
All our literature is
mhm.
free.
It's free.
The Bible, books, magazines,
Okay.
and
Pamphlets.
we have a website
Uh-huh.
in English you can download the magazines in PDF
Oh,
format
really? That's good.
in
In
English
English.
and other languages. We have around 740 to
Oh,
translate the information in this
a
site.
lot of languages.
Yeah,
Wow. So practically around the world. Mm-hmm.
It's a Guinness record.
A lot. Okay.
Yeah,
Maybe dialects too, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
The
Oh.
site is jw dot
JW.
org.
Mhm. ORG. Okay. From
Org.
organization, right?
Yeah, Jehovah Witnesses.
Uh-huh.
That's
That,
org.
ORG. Okay, good. So that means that you didn't, yeah, I have in my last job, I had a friend who always told me about this kind of celebrations, and they didn't celebrate, right? Like a person does, right? For example, yesterday or Christmas, right? Other celebrations.
Christmas we,
Mhm.
and
It's another day.
birthdays.
Mm-hmm.
Birthdays
Okay.
we can celebrate.
Okay. So, but yesterday you went out, okay, to preach. You said,
Preach, preach. Yes,
What
in
about
my
Saturday?
neighborhood.
Do you do it on
What?
Saturdays?
Excuse me?
Do you do it on Saturdays?
Yeah, I do it. I did it in Saturday too.
And what happened? Why did you quit?
My quit.
Uh-huh.
Explain.
Okay, you did it on Saturday too.
Yeah, I did
You
Saturday
did it.
too.
I thought it
I
was in
did.
the past. Like
Yeah,
lo hacía, pero ya no. Okay. No, you did
lo
it.
hice. Lo hice el sábado también y el domingo.
And Friday. Both days.
Friday, no.
No, only Saturday.
Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah, from Monday to Friday you work.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. You know, in my neighborhood, it's so peculiar, but this is something that I have always said. In Christmas, my neighborhood is very quiet
Okay.
because maybe the 70% of my neighbors are Jehovah Witnesses.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Where is your neighborhood?
Here, near San Marcos.
San Marcos.
Near
Okay.
San Marcos, Santo Tomas, right?
Yes.
I am today here, and because my father and my mother live here, and
Okay.
so when I was a child, it was similar. With my brother, we always look for kind of fun, or maybe to look for the children right outside. But
Okay.
it was difficult because most of them were in the houses, no outside on the streets.
Okay.
And then when I grew up, I knew that it was because of the religion, because
Okay.
they didn't and they don't. Now they are adults, right?
Okay.
And they do that. So now I understand. I have always had this question with the stands, you know, in the
Okay.
corner of the street.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
do they sell, or what are
No.
they doing there? Because I always pass by, but by car, no walking.
No, yeah, in the many years ago, we sell the magazines and others literature, our
Okay.
literature, but
But no anymore.
no.
It's much better, right? People is
Uh-huh.
it's more accessible, right? When
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
free. Okay, great, very nice. Hey, I have Claribel here. Very nice, Claribel. Good to see you. Hi, Claribel.
Afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
Oh, very nice to have you here in my class. Hey, I have a new. Is a new student or no? I see only SIC Torres. Susie? No, I don't know the name. Oh, it's not here anymore. She disappeared. Okay, but I think it's a new partner, right?
Okay.
Okay, very nice. Hey, what about Carla Marroquin? Is Carlita in your office, Edward?
Yes, she is here, but maybe she is busy too.
Okay. Maybe she's gonna join us later, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Well, do you remember, Claribel and Eduardo, the topic from last week? We finished, right? We were talking about this one, right? If you can see, okay. I remember we were talking about compound nouns, right? We did this exercise last week. For example,
About our neighborhood.
Bus station, parking lot, or okay, parking space, okay, taxi stand, bicycle lane, okay. We were talking about that. We discussed about the neighborhood, and there we go, okay. Today, guys, we continue with section number 2. But what we're gonna do today is that we are going to, okay, explain, okay, a little bit about, okay, these expressions of quantity, okay, with countable nouns and non-countable nouns. Carlita Yanes, welcome to the class. How was your weekend? Hi, Carlita.
Teacher, hello.
Hi.
Todo very nice.
Excellent. Todo very nice. Everything.
Todo bien, teacher.
Nice. I'm very, very happy to see you, Carlita. Okay.
Me voy porque ando despeinada.
Come on. Like the teacher.
No, teacher, usted siempre beautiful.
Thank you very much. You have an extra point. Okay. Very nice. So guys, today our class is going to start, okay, by you know, making a kind of distinction between countable and uncountable nouns, okay. This is what we're going to be discussing, okay. Today we have listening parts, okay. We have a conversation, okay. The stuff is to to practice, okay? This is what we're gonna do today, to use there are, there is, using many, using much, okay? I'm gonna present right now some expressions of quantity, okay? But we are going to like explain a little bit about the difference between countable and non-countable nouns. Maybe Eduardo, you can tell us what you know, please, about countable and non-countable nouns. What can you tell us about the difference?
For example, the things like pens, books, cars, or I don't know, pens, and many things.
Many things, okay?
That
Like
they have
objects, right?
object,
You can touch.
touch and have, and we can count.
Okay, very good. These
Count.
are countable nouns, exactly. Countable nouns, as Eduardo said, are the objects that you can see, you can touch, okay? You can count, okay? This is something about countable nouns. Uncountable nouns or non-count nouns are the ones that you, obviously the word says, you can't count because they may be abstract, like for example, love, hate, okay, hungry, when you are like very hungry, okay, when you are, for example, in this case, traffic, stress, you cannot count the stress, you cannot see, okay, you say, ah, look, that is a stress. No, you are, those are abstract ideas, emotions, feelings, liquids or gases, okay? When I say liquids, for example, water, oil, milk, juice, okay, liquids, rain, gases, for example, we have like smoke. You cannot count the smoke. And there are some other things, like for example, money. This one is very like confusing because people say, teacher, pero el dinero no lo puedo contar. Ah, okay. Yes, but if you say coins or bills, centavos y monedas, right? Las billetes. But word money, you cannot count. For example, I cannot say, hey, I'm very rich. I have 1 million money. No, you say $1 million, right? So in this case, you are counting the dollars. Or, for example, Carlita, how much did you spend in your lunch? Oh, teacher, 5 monies. No, right? You cannot say so. So you say, I spent $5. So you are counting dollars here. But the word money is uncountable, okay? Here I have some, here, for example, traffic is uncountable. Pollution is uncountable. Transportation is uncountable, okay? Parking is uncountable too. Noise, ruido, right, is uncountable, okay? Another one, the air, el aire, the air is uncountable too. Also, that we can mention, okay, for example, in this case, the traffic jams, the contamination, okay, those are, or gasoline, for example, is uncountable. And the countable nouns are the ones, as Eduardo said, you can count, for example, cars, houses, neighbors, computers, okay, people, streets, okay, different things that you can see and touch in this case, okay? So why are we distinguishing or trying to make a distinction between countable nouns and uncountable nouns? It's because today we are going to learn to use the expressions too many, fewer, more, enough, okay? So we are gonna do this part, okay, based on countable and uncountable nouns. The rule number 1 says that you are gonna use to. To is también, but also when you use to with many is demasiado, okay? For example, if I say, I have many friends, okay, it's acceptable, right? Like maybe 10 or 15 friends. Oh, but imagine Eduardo says, oh my God, teacher, I have too many friends around the world. Huh? So I'm thinking like it's excessively, right? The amount of friends is too many, demasiados amigos. So ya no es como positivo decir demasiado, right? So too many is demasiados carros. Too much is the same, okay? But what is the difference between too many and too much? Too many, guys, is for countable nouns, and too much is for uncountable nouns. For example, Carlita, do you drink coffee?
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yes,
How many cups of coffee do you drink a day?
oh, I take one.
Oh, okay, that's okay,
One cup.
right? You are not addicted.
Uh-huh.
You're not
Yeah.
addicted, right? Okay, ajá. So, example, this is an example. Ahora Carlita, dígame que se toma 10 tazas al día, okay?
Oh,
Carlita, how many cups of coffee do you drink a day?
okay. I drink
Mhm.
too many.
Ajá, I drink, ajá,
I drink too
10.
many cup of coffee.
Exactly. I drink too many cups of coffee, teacher. I drink 10, for example. Ha! O sea, ya se pasa de lo normal, right? That's why you say too many, okay? Yesterday, I had this experience. Yesterday, I was checking the shoes that I have in my house. Oh my God, I said, y me dice mi esposo, hey, you have too many shoes. Y yo, well, no, for a woman it's never enough. Okay. O sea que era demasiado zapato. Yo, no, but for me it's okay. But that's it, exaggeration, right? It's an amount. Okay. Other one, for example, Eduardo, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
Ah, okay. Too many for you or enough?
Uh, it's okay.
It's okay.
No,
Yeah, okay. Well, you say enough.
enough.
Es
It's enough.
suficiente, hermana. Yeah, enough. O sea que está nice, right? That's it. My grandmother had 11 children.
Bebe.
Wow. ¿Cómo dijeran? Too many children or too much children?
Too many.
Too many children, of course. Ajá, ya, se pasa de lo normal, pues, abuela, le decía yo. The normal maybe is 4, 5, but 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, huh? And one person died, so imagine they were 12. Okay, too many.
What about you, teacher?
No, I have only one daughter.
Oh.
Yes, it's enough.
But you dreams with too many children.
No. No. In my dream, there is only 1 or 2.
Okay.
Yeah, and you, Carlita, you want more?
No, only 2.
Only 2. Ah, okay, the factory is closed. Okay, very nice. So you see, too many when it's exaggeration, demasiado, okay? No, demasiado. Si fuman, right? For example, alguien le dice a usted, ¿qué fuma? ¿Cuánto? 12 al día. Too many cigarettes, right? Too many cigarettes. Ahora, pasamos con fewer, okay? Fewer es más pocos, okay? Fewer, más pocos, but this is for countable nouns, okay? For example, in the past, there were fewer computers. Habían más pocas computadoras, right? I'm using fewer because the word computers is countable, okay? So that's why you say fewer, fewer. Now, this is real in my personal life. Now I am eating fewer candies, right? Estoy comiendo menos y más pocos dulces todos los días. I love candies. I like candies. But now I am eating fewer candies. Candies is non-countable, so you use fewer. The other is more. Ese es el opuesto de fewer, que sería más, right? More, okay? But if you pay attention, more, chicos, pueden ser usados para ambos. Countable and uncountable, okay? Countable and uncountable. Similar to enough. Enough es suficiente, okay? That's it. For example, here we say, no hay suficientes buses. There aren't enough buses. There aren't enough buses. Buses is countable, so you use enough. In here, we use there isn't enough parking. Parking is uncountable, but you use enough because enough can be used whether countable or non-countable, right? Enough. La diferencia entre el enough con non-countable and enough with countable is that here, guys, si va a decirlo en plural, pues use, perdón, there are. There aren't, in negative in this case. Pero en non-countable siempre va a ir con there is o there isn't, okay? This is the difference. With countable nouns, more or enough could be there is, there are, no problem. But with non-countable nouns, we always use there is or there isn't. So en los no contables no funciona el there are, ¿ok? Porque todo lo no contable va a ir en singular. For example, no puede decir there are much traffic. No, you always say there is much traffic today, or there is too much traffic when there is an accident or something like that, ¿ok? El opuesto de fewer aquí, ¿ok? Perdón, no opuesto, sino que el contraparte de fewer con contable sería no contable, less, menos, ¿ok? More is more. Esta se mantiene. More and more. Okay. For example, here, there should be less pollution. Debería de haber menos contaminación. Okay. How would you say here, for example, alguno de los tres que quieran contestar? Yo tengo menos dinero. How would you say that in English? Si usted quiere decir, yo tengo menos dinero.
I have less money.
Yes, I have less and less and less money every day. Very good. Porque money is uncountable. ¿Ok? Pero si quiere decir ahora, Eduardo, tengo más y más, o menos, menos, o más pocas monedas, ¿cómo diría?
I have fewer coins.
Coins. Very good.
Coins.
Fewer coins. So,
fewer coins.
¿Por qué coins va con fewer y money va less? Well, money is uncountable. And you use less with uncountable nouns. Fewer is countable. So you use it with countable nouns. ¿Ok? No es lo mismo aquí en inglés. Viene siendo lo mismo, pero se usa diferente. Si yo quiero decir, por ejemplo, hay, for example, hay poco tiempo. There is less time or little time. Pero si ya quiero decir tengo más pocas horas, ya digo there are fewer hours. ¿Ok? So, for example, time, la palabra time is always uncountable. Si quiere usarlo contable, pues diga hours, minutes, or seconds. Okay, that is something different. Aquí, more and more is the same, guys, and enough is the same. The only difference is that for expressions of quantity with countable nouns, you can use there is or there are, no problem. But with non-countable nouns, you have to use only there is in singular, okay?
Sorry, but we can change the uncountable to countable.
Yeah, sometimes it's possible. Tell me an example.
The coffee is uncountable.
Yes.
The coffee, the sugar, or the water. But I can say I drink 2 cups of coffee a day.
Exactly.
I drink or 10 cups of coffee today is.
It's countable.
It's countable. Or bottles of water or
when you, yes, Eduardo, when you use a container, cuando tiene ya un botecito, una taza, un depósito, a container, you make it.
O lo mido.
Exactly.
Lo mido en libras o kilos.
Exactly. Por ejemplo, let me see, give you another example. For example, los frijoles, right? Los frijoles cocidos son uncountable. Pero frijol crudo, pues la semilla, el grano, es contable, right? It's countable, okay? Yeah. So, you can make it like that, okay? Lo que tal vez quizás no se puede contar tan fácil es la pollution, contamination. Ahora creo que hay ciertos grados de contaminación y todo. Ay, pero ya habla de grados. Y los grados sí se pueden contar, right? So, it's different, okay? So, exactly, it's like that. Lo no contable se puede hacer contable, ¿sí? Usando contenedores, botellas, libras, ok, medidas, ok, that's it. This is something that is possible. Okay. Do you have any doubt with this explanation of the expression of quantity? ¿Cuándo voy a usar too much, too many, fewer, less? More and more, more and more. Well, this is para ambos, right? This is for both. And enough, enough. Okay, that's it. Too many, countable nouns. Too much, uncountable nouns. Fewer, countable nouns. Less, non-countable nouns. Questions so far? No? Carlita, questions? Claribel, questions? Clarita? Okay, very good. Claribel, questions? Well, I don't know if Claribel is here. Well, let's do some examples, right? Okay, let's do it together. So let's see, okay, if you already know this one. Carlita, can you please read the sentences?
Okay, there are.
And read the instructions, please. I'm sorry.
Okay, complete the statement about transportation problems.
Exactly.
Then compare with a partner. Okay. More than one answer may be possible.
Okay, more than the one answer may be possible. Remember, here we have to be open to give different answers. Pay attention, what is the clue? Cuando lo hagan en la plataforma, su clave va a ser ver si el nombre es countable, uncountable. Countable, uncountable, okay? That's the only thing you have to do. For example, Carlita, the number 1, police officers, is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. What about cars?
Countable.
What about, Eduardo, public transportation, Eduardo?
Uncountable.
I'm sorry?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Very good. Okay. What about highways? Vienen siendo como autopistas, right? Countable or uncountable? Right? That's this is what you have to distinguish, right? And make a distinction between countable and non-countable, okay? Right now, this is in your WhatsApp group. I sent, okay, already the sentences. So what I want you to do right now, guys, is that you and Carlita, Claribel, you 3 together, ahí solitos van a estar haciendo el ejercicio, right? Primero distingan countable, uncountable. Y de ahí la lógica, si va a usar less, fewer, too many, too much, more, or enough, okay? Let's accept the invitation, please. okay? And we're gonna work in the breakout room. There you go.
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay. We start. The number 1 is countable, all right?
Oh, yes.
Yes, it's countable.
So there are too many police officers. What do you think?
In the, excuse me. In the sentence number 1,
Yes.
use all the possibilities, okay, that you can find, not only one possibility, okay? Because there could be a lot of possible answers.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. There are fewer.
Or there aren't enough. No, there are. We need more police officer, but
More. There are more police officers.
We need more police officers, but the right there are.
The other possibility, there are fewer police officers because it's countable.
Okay, very good.
Number 2.
There should be fewer cars in the city.
The other possibility,
I think that is the only possibility.
okay. Number 3. Public transportation is non-countable.
Okay.
Too much. There is too much public transportation or less. There is 2 options.
Or we need more public transportation.
More, yes. Okay. Three option. Too much, less, more.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 4.
The government needs to build more highways.
Yes. The government needs. Other option. More highway. Highways is uncountable, non-countable.
Uncountable.
Okay. Okay. The other option, maybe the government needs to build less highways.
Maybe the government build many.
Not much, no many.
No, I am thinking if the government build much highways and much, it's possible need to build less highways.
Highways is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Really?
Highway.
Yeah, como que fueran carreteras, right? So,
Yeah.
highways.
Like Monseñor Romero.
Exactly. So, it's countable. Exactly, okay. Check. Fix the problem, please.
So the government needs to build many or more highways.
More highways. Exactly.
Okay.
Because highway is countable.
Okay.
Highways countable. Okay, number 5. There shall be non-countable. There shall be
less noise.
Yes. There shall be less noise. And Claribel, are you here?
No, she's not here. I think she got problems in her connection.
Okay. Okay.
She left.
Okay. Number 6. Public parking garage. Countable.
Public parking.
Garage. Public parking garage. Countable. What do you think?
Public transportation, public parking is uncountable.
But is garage public parking garage?
Exactly. That is what you have to pay attention to. At the end, you have garages, right? It's in plural. So, it is. Es como decía Eduardo hace un momento. El parqueo se puede hacer contable, ya poniendo algo contable, right? Por ejemplo, si ahí dijera parking, solo parking fuera uncountable. Pero si ya le ponen parking spaces, it's different, ok? Es contable. So aquí dice parking y al final dice garages. So it's countable in this case, ok?
Okay.
The city needs
Yes.
more public parking garages.
Yes. More. The city needs more public parks.
Or,
Okay.
or needs to build, the city needs to build more public parking garage. Teacher.
Yeah, in this case, you add the build, right? Needs to build. Necesita construir, right? No problem. But if you say there are, the city needs more public parking garages, it's the same.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. The 7.
The 7. There is no countable air pollution in the city.
Yeah.
There is too much.
There is too much air pollution in the city.
Yes. Pollution in the city. 8. Cars parked on the streets.
It's countable. Yeah, it's countable.
There are
Too much.
fewer
Or too much.
or too many.
Too many, excuse me. Too many or fewer?
Two options. Too many, fewer cars.
Parked on the streets.
Okay. Good. Finish.
Okay, now we're gonna come back to the main session. Okay, let's close the chat. That's it. Okay, guys, now we're gonna check, okay, the sentences together, okay. You put, like, you wrote in your sentences extra answers, right? But there are some answers that they are grammatically correct, but in terms of logic, they are not correct, okay? But we're gonna check. Number 1, Carlita. Number 2, Eduardo, and so on, okay? Let's start with the number 1, Carlita.
Okay, in this case, we have two options.
Okay.
There are more police officers and there are fewer police officers.
Okay, very good. There are fewer police officers or there are more police officers. In this case, lo más lógico es decir there are fewer, right? both are correct grammatically, okay? But using our logic, people usually see there are fewer.
Teacher,
Yes, Carlita?
You say not a no.
I said fewer and more.
Okay.
That's it. Fewer and more. The most correct, like the answer very exact, is fewer.
Okay.
Por el tipo de lógica que él tiene, right? Hay más pocos policías. Okay, that's it. Number 2. Let's see the number 2. Eduardo. Check your microphone, Eduardo. It's muted. Okay, go ahead.
The second is
The
there
second.
should be uh, fewer cars in the city.
Okay, very good. There should be fewer cars in the city. Okay, a menos que sea domingo, usted debería decir, ay, debería de haber más carros. Ok,
Ajá.
pero originalmente pues decimos debe de haber menos carros, right? O más pocos. There should be fewer cars. Other possibility could be there should be more cars, right? That's it. Not in the city, but maybe in the countryside. Okay, excellent. Number 3, Carlita, once again.
Okay, maybe 3 options.
Ajá,
There,
okay.
there is too much public transportation.
Ajá.
There is less public transportation,
Mhm.
or there is more public transportation.
Oh, the 3 of them are correct because public transportation is uncountable, right? But now, Carlita, tell me the exact answer based on logic.
There is too much
Too
public
much.
transportation.
Okay, very good. Too much public transportation. In good condition, le agregaría yo. Okay, no.
Okay.
In good condition, no. You know, in El Salvador, there isn't much public transportation in good conditions. No, in El
The
Salvador,
public transportation is a subculture.
yes, I don't know, that would be some people say there shouldn't be coasters. Otros dicen sí que hayan coaster, but in good quality, right? With good people. Okay, but that's it. There is much, okay, very good. Yo creo que cuando es un día feriado, dice la gente que usa los buses, ay, hay poco transporte público. There is less public transportation. Ajá, it depends, right? Depends on where you want to use it.
In the
Okay.
holidays. In the
Uh-huh.
holidays.
Yes, for example, yesterday, right? Yesterday was holiday.
Yesterday.
El día de... Bueno, ya no respetan tanto los holidays, right? In the past, porque in the past, que un 2 de noviembre, everybody was in the houses, right? Respecting.
The people should be work.
Exactly,
o-
ajá.
O Viernes Santo apedreaban los carros allá por mi pueblo.
It's true, it's true, it's true,
Wow.
it's true. Ajá, es que la gente que se ponía a hacer algo era, pero ahora nada. There is music. Everybody goes to the beach. They don't respect the holidays. That's it. So, de aquí puede también ser there is less public transportation. Okay, that's it. Very good. Continue, please. The government. Ajá, Eduardo.
The government needs to build more highways.
More highways, very good. Okay, very good. More highways. Number 5, Carlita.
There should be less noise.
Excellent. 6.
The city needs more public parking garages.
Oh, excellent. The city needs, okay, more. Can you please repeat? Public.
The public parking garages.
Garages, very good. Carlita también dijo public. Okay, public.
Public. Oh,
Public
sorry.
parking garages, very good. Or public transportation. Very nice. Next, Carlita, please, number 7.
There is too much air pollution in the city.
That's it. Very good. There is too much air pollution in the city. Okay, very good. Next, number 8, Eduardo.
8 is there are fewer cars parked on the streets.
On the
streets.
On the streets. Very good. Only is the only option you have, or you have more options?
No, the second option is there are too many cars parked on the streets.
Excellent, very good. Y ese es el de que tiene lógica ahorita. There are too many cars parked on the streets, right? That's it, very good. Allá también va en un día de feriado, La gente dice, hey, hay menos, right? Hay más pocos carros parqueados en las calles, right? There are less in this, sorry, there are fewer in this case. But now we say there are too many cars parked on the street, okay? Very good. Cars parked. Aunque va con ed, the pronunciation is t with T, okay? Parked on the street. Excellent, very good. That's it. Parked. And then parking garages. Okay, garages. That's it. Parking garages. That's
Public
it.
parking.
Very good. Nice. Any questions with this one? No?
No.
Do you have any questions? That's it. Okay. This is what you have to remember. The first tip is to check if the word is countable or uncountable, okay? Now, we're gonna finish with this part, okay? That's it. So you have to complete the sentence here, okay? Read the instructions, please, Eduardo. Go ahead.
Should provide more.
Excuse me. There was a problem. Here it is. You have to complete the sentences, but this is about your city, okay, or your town, depends where you live. Number one, the city, Eduardo?
The city should provide more.
In Santa Tecla, for example, the city should provide more.
More parkings.
More parking.
Parking garages.
Garages, okay, very good. It's true, I agree with you. The city should provide more parking garages, very good. Carlita, what about there in Sacamil, right, Carlita?
Okay.
Yes, what about in Sacamil, Carlita? The city should provide more.
We have too many salesmen.
Okay. No, number one, Carlita, number one.
Okay. The city should provide more pollution.
No. Me está diciendo, la ciudad debería de darnos más contaminación. No, ¿verdad?
No, teacher. No. Excuse me.
Okay.
The city should provide more friendly, more love.
Amor y papa. Okay. Le voy a ayudar en una. The city should provide more facilities to work, for example.
Okay.
More benefits to work, or more spaces for parking. Así dijo Eduardo. Okay, that's it. So this is
more security.
The city should provide more security. Very good. That's it. Porque more puede ser usada con contable, incontable, so no problem. Okay. Carlita, number two. Ahí regenérese. The number two, please.
We have too many salesmen.
Excellent. Too many salesmen. Very good. Para afuera. What about in Santa Tecla, Eduardo? We have too many?
We have too many buses.
Yeah, we have too many buses. Very good. And number three, Carlita, there is too much.
And there is too much. Now there is too much pollution.
Excellent. There is too much pollution. What about you, Eduardo? There is too much.
Security.
Insecurity. Okay, very good. Number four, Eduardo, there isn't enough. No hay suficiente. There isn't enough. In El Salvador, you can talk about El Salvador in general if you want.
There isn't enough
Water.
security,
Very good.
office, policies.
Policies.
Yeah,
Policies officers.
policies officers. Yeah.
Ok. Entonces aquí, Eduardo, ya no sería there isn't,
Are,
sería there aren't.
They
So,
aren't.
there aren't enough police officers. Very good. In your case, Carlita, there isn't enough.
There's enough water.
Excellent. No hay suficiente agua para todos, right? There isn't enough water for everybody. Number 5, Eduardo.
Let me read. Wait a minute.
Okay.
There should be
Fewer.
Cars.
Cars, okay, very good. There should be fewer cars. What about you, Carlita? There should be fewer?
There should be fewer dogs in the street.
Very nice, okay, there should be fewer. Yo dijera, there should be fewer gangsters. Okay, number 6, Carlita, we don't have enough.
We don't have enough. We don't have enough. Riña, contienda.
No, no queda porque no tenemos suficiente. Ahora diga, no tenemos suficiente amor, diga, para el prójimo.
We don't have enough clean hair.
Pelo limpio.
Aire limpio.
Oh, air. Clean air. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. Eduardo, we don't have enough.
We don't have enough spaces to
practice.
Clean spaces.
Clean spaces. Excellent. Very good. If you ask me, my answer would be we don't have enough beautiful parks or open areas to play. Right? Yeah. That's it. Very good. There should be less, Eduardo?
There should be less pollution.
Pollution.
Gangs.
Ok, no, porque ahí ya sería less.
Uncontable.
Uncontable.
It's uncountable.
Pollution. Pollution, that's okay.
Yeah.
Pollution and noise.
Noise.
Very good. Exactly. Okay, Carlita, there should be less.
There should be less pleito, riña.
Okay. Hate, odio. Hate.
There should be less hate.
Among Salvadorians, entre los salvadoreños, among Salvadorians. Very good. Among, okay. Very good. We need more, Carlita? We need more?
We need more love. We need more peace.
Very good. What about you, Eduardo? We need more?
Pues sí, pensando en los non-countable.
Yes, but remember, more puede ser countable or non-countable, right? No problem.
Or no countable, yes.
No problem.
Or we need more trees.
Exactly.
Trees.
We need more trees on the streets. Very good. And Eduardo, we need more?
We need more qualified.
Okay. Okay, very good. Qualified work. Okay, very nice. Okay, very good. Excellent. So, you see, this is what we have, okay, related to expressions of quantity using there is, there are, contables and non-contables. El tip está aprendernos de memoria cuáles son con contables y cuáles son con incontables. Too many, contable. Fewer, contable. Too much, uncountable. Less, uncountable. More and more, se va con ambas, right? You can decide there, okay? And el enough is also with contables or non-contables. Nice, okay? Very good. Check the exercises in the platform if you haven't done the exercises yet, okay? Tomorrow we continue practicing the topic. Remember the unit is Caught in the Rush. So we're gonna continue talking about the city or neighborhoods. Very nice. Questions so far? No?
No.
Okay,
Thank you.
very good. So my guys, it was a pleasure to be with you once again. I hope to see you tomorrow, right? At 1 o'clock, Carlita.
Oh, teacher.
Okay. I
Eh,
understand. Sometimes you have problems, right? Be on time at home.
okay, teacher.
Okay. I will see you tomorrow, right? Thank you
Yeah,
for
okay.
joining the class.
Teacher, I have too much learn with you.
Ah, okay.
Yes,
Yeah, very
uncountable.
good. Uncountable. Learning.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
El aprendizaje. Very nice. Okay. And I have my pleasure to be your teacher. Okay, Carlita?
Okay,
That's
teacher.
it. I will see
Nice.
you tomorrow. Enjoy your afternoon, everybody.
Okay,
Claribel
see you
had
tomorrow.
problems with the audio. That's why I didn't ask questions to Claribel. I hope tomorrow she can have nice internet connection. All right. See you
Okay.
guys. Bye-bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.